Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix keyboard input lag on Windows 11. First method is turn off filter keys. Second method is update keyboard driver. Third method is uninstall keyboard driver. Fourth method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel. Change repeat delay and repeat rate. Fifth method is msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Check keyboard if any input lag. Sixth method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Disable unwanted startup apps. Seventh method is keyboard troubleshooting. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.